Hi guys, welcome to our third day of class. Um, Upon logging in, you should see this share screen. There are a few things that you need to do before we get started. Um, and this is how our class will be set up once we start meeting in person also. Okay. Okay, the learning target and success checklist for today are posted and will be posted in the classroom as well. Um, Our learning target for today is to solve 1 and 2-step equations. The checklist, or the way we're going to accomplish that target, is by splitting up our problem down the middle, okay, from the equal sign. So that way we have a left side and a right side. We're going to locate the side that has the variable, and that's where we're going to start, okay? We're going to perform opposite operations, so that way we're able to get our variable alone or by itself. Okay, some teachers refer to it as backwards PEMDAS. Okay, and then our final step is to box our answer. Okay, just a little recap. Opposite operations. The opposite of addition is subtraction. The opposite of multiplication is division. Okay. Today in class we worked on redoing our second Khan Academy assignment, the one that has the one that is titled two-step equations or solving two-step equations. Okay, so you will be given the opportunity to redo it to get 100. Okay, so please click the next video so that way you may see the notes that were taken and the way that we set up our journal for class.